still out here in East Texas. Yeah, swing by, man. I can use your help tomorrow. Oh, no kidding. That's cool. Oh, yeah, I'll see you in a little bit, dude. There. That was Iron Mike. He said he's taking over the channel today, and he's got a surprise. He's gonna bring something over here. I don't even know what he's bringing, but he wanted to show it off, and while he's coming out here, he might as well help out tomorrow for work. So let's take it over, Iron Mike.
What is going on, Turnin and Burnin family? It's Mike, Iron Mike, back at it again. So, as you can see, I'm on the road, headed up to Austin, Texas, you know, where they like to keep it weird, and headed up there to pick up a little surprise. It's something that I've been after for a while. It's something that's well overdue, and something that's going to be a lot of fun to get our hands into. So you just stick around and enjoy the ride. Stay tuned and subscribe to Turnin and Burnin. So is this where a lot of people they just record themselves driving and to play some weird music like elevator music? Here's a thought. What if we ask some of the audience suggestions on the truck? What needs to be done to it? Well, guys, I did it. I got me a Dodge. Yes, sir. I got me a Dodge. Never thought it'd be the day that I get a Dodge. Minivan. You ever heard of trading up? Well, that's what I did. 2 goats for a minivan. Then once I got the minivan, I'm gonna trade it for a truck. Tell you, man, Facebook Marketplace is something else. As soon as I got it, I thought about it. You know what? I bet you someone else would like this too. So I got on Facebook Marketplace. I said, hey man, who wants to trade? What you got? Turns out somebody was actually interested in it. Yeah. And guess what I'm going to trade up to?
Who is this?
What's up, buddy?
What is this, dude? Where's the King Ranch?
Dude, you'll never guess, man. Do I have a story for you on what I traded for this thing?
Oh, I gotta hear this.
And no, I didn't trade my King Ranch. I did not trade it. See, I had a hold of this minivan for a little bit. I'm just playing. Y'all really think I'd buy a minivan? There's no way I'd buy a minivan, right? But so check it out, dude. It's a 550, 4-wheel drive, power stroke.
You just picked it up?
Yeah, dude. I just drove right in from Austin right now, man.
What are you gonna? This is gonna be your work truck?
Oh yeah, this is it right here. Finally got something bigger. And I mean, you know how Ford is the best, right? I mean, everybody just drives Ford. Everybody knows it's the best, right?
Oh, I don't know. You know, I'm a Chevy guy, and well, the Dodge for the work truck that hasn't done me wrong yet. But we could, whatever, man. We're gonna start a fight, dude. Okay, comments are gonna be blowing up.
All right. I won't go there this time. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the back yet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the bed, get a service body, or just do something different with it. But this is it, man. This is the beginning of the new service truck, for sure. Nice, man.
We're gonna have to keep this truck on the channel and show everybody what you're gonna do.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I'm not shy. We're gonna show everybody what's going on, and you know, let everybody know that, you know, Ford's the best.
Oh my gosh, dude. Comment down below, down there in the comments, what's the best truck. Man, I'm gonna do a little tour around this truck and show you what he just got himself into. he ain't gonna be driving that King Ranch anymore. I guess he's gonna have a daily driver and a work truck. Well, there's a big surprise. Mike took over the channel and he comes with a new truck. All right, Mike, are you, Mike,
What's up?
going to get this thing done?
Oh, ASAP, absolutely. No, for sure. I mean, hey, work's coming down the line, so I'm gonna be ready for it. That's for sure.
All right, man, because we want to see this truck done. We want to take everybody out there, all the viewers along, so they can check it out and see your rig.
Maybe even see him one day. We'll see.
Ooh, a SEMA truck.
Oh yeah. One day.
Hey, man, you got goals, son.
Absolutely.
All right, man. Well, we are not dragging up because we got to go finish loading up. So we're gonna roll on out of here. Peace.